there is this thing called act as if. The sun barely comes out.
Exhale, round your spine, gaze towards your navel. Then inhale, arch your spine and open through your heart center. A child's pose. Then come forward to your hands.
Good morning, my loves. Welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. As always, the fridge being rude, it started making noise. You guys, it snowed last night like crazy. Oh my god. Check that out. This morning, the snow was all the way up to here. Let me try and open the door. It's cold. But it was all the way up to here. Check it out. Damn. Adventure. I actually like winter snow days because they're not that cold. So today I can go and record some part of my intro. I know we are 6 days into Vlogmas. I can record at least me playing in the snow because there is some snow to play with. Yo, the snow came down last night at around 10 and I'm like, man, can I go outside right now? I'm like, hell no. In yesterday's video, I talked about me planning for the week ahead, but I didn't. What I did was review my previous week. Today we are going to plan for this week because it's important for me with a full-time job and with a business and with Vlogmas. Oh my god, I have to plan my ouch I hit my toe. I have to plan my week, but first let's have some coffee maybe because I'm feeling a little, I don't know, I'm feeling off this morning. Morning probiotic because my stomach does not feel good. As I told you yesterday, by the way, I did the salt water flush and for the first time the salt water flush didn't work for me, which is insane. I think I put a lot of salt. I ended up throwing up everything. All the water just stayed here and I just threw up. TMI. But yeah, the salt water flush doesn't always work. I'm going to leave a link to a video here why sometimes it works and other times it doesn't, if you've tried it and it doesn't work for you. But yeah, let's have some pro and prebiotic. Oh, vitamins. Don't forget your vitamin D. You need it because the sun barely comes out. Gut love, this is what I'm looking for. And last but not least, fish oil. Damn, construction is really early today. I can hear the do. How am I going to record this video? So of course my journal is ready to go, the habit trackers, because I want to do a TikTok to record while I tick off today's habits and yeah, do some journaling. So I've planned my week, which is quite easy, especially with the 90-day Be Your Own Babe journal. I'm repeating myself, but if you saw yesterday's video, it was me reviewing the previous week. Now, what I normally like to do is brain dump everything. I know I put important. I probably have a brain dump sticker, don't I? I do have a brain dump sticker over here. I used important, but whatever sticker it is you use, I like using these stickers again, which come with part of the journal. They help me know where the important notes that I'm taking are. So for example, there is this one important. I see another one over here. What was this? It's also important. I took notes from the 5 a.m. club and I didn't want to forget, so I put a sticker there so that I can just find the page easily. The stickers and the bookmarks are there to help you find where you need to be, you know what I mean? What I normally do is brain dump at the beginning of the week and at the beginning of the month. So I did that. I brain dumped. I realized I don't have as much stuff. If I show you my other brain dumps, oh my god, they're very serious, like it's a whole page. This is my November brain dump. It took the whole page, yet the one for now is just, I don't know. That means I don't have that much to do. As much as I feel overwhelmed, I only got a small list of things. Now, after brain dumping, of course, I go through my previous week. With the journal, you can see your week at a glance. Everything that was moved forward, I do have a key in my journal whereby I mark things that are to do, done, moving forward, important. Let me show you one of the pages. Last week I didn't use that a lot, but this is the perfect page. This here is done. This is a sign for done. This is a sign for moving forward. It's like a thing like that. So all these will be pending. At the end of the week, I just go back and see what I moved forward, and all those move forwards, I have to move them over to the next week. I don't have anything pending from last week, but I do have things that have been pending for a while, so that's why my list is not that long. Right now I'm focusing on Vlogmas and doing TikToks to sell the journal. So what I did, because again I have work, like I said, like Tuesday, tomorrow I have to work all day from 12 to 6, Thursday I have to work, Friday I have to work. So because I have work, what I've done today is go in the journal and write all the days that I have to work, like 12 to 6, 12 to 6, 12 to 8, so that I know that on these days I have to work. So I know I have to wake up early, record some content. Now today I'm recording 2 videos, one for today, this one you're watching, and one for tomorrow, because tomorrow I have work, and there is a slight possibility, because I take 5 hours to edit, if I wake up in the morning at 6 and I start like recording videos, right now it's 8:37. If I start recording videos, it takes me about an hour or 2 to record a video and like 5 or 4 hours to edit a video. So it doesn't make sense for me to record it tomorrow morning if it's around this time, 9, 8, and then I have to edit for 4 hours, then go to work. By the time I come back from work, I'm super tired, which means it won't be uploaded until night time. And night time is so late. It won't be uploaded till night time, and the editing won't be done. So that means I'll leave work and come home to edit videos, which is too much for me. But if you're the kind of person, in whatever you do, you can work at night and whatever, that's up to you. For me, I know myself. I've tried this. I've been tracking my habits for a while using the 90-day Be Your Own Babe journal. Again, by the way, you can get yourself a copy of this journal. The link to it is in the description box down below. But what was I saying? Where was I? I'm one of those people that talk too much and even forget the point that I wanted to make. What I was saying, that if you know yourself and you know you can put in the work at night, then well and good. For me, I prefer to relax at night. That is why I like to do everything in the morning. That is why I'm trying to make sure that I wake up early in the morning, because I get a lot more done. For example, this video, I'm recording it right now, I'm going to edit it right now, and by that time, I don't really have to go to work today, but again, I'm in charge of inventory and stuff, and today we are doing inventory and shopping. I have to go to the restaurant and make sure that everything is there in order for the restaurant to run, because if I don't go and stuff is missing, then I'm at fault. By the time I go, I'll be done with this video, it will be uploaded, and then when I come back, maybe after 2 hours, I know I'll record the other video, start editing it, then tomorrow morning I can focus on my TikToks and whatever and all that stuff, because the video is already done. That's how I kind of balance my time, because let me tell you, content creation is not as easy. Content creation is, it's a lot of work. You have to create time for it, and they say we are what we repeatedly do. I decided that I'm going to show up every day as a content creator, as a business owner, to just live in the life that I want, so that my life aligns in that direction. I don't know if that makes sense, but I believe that if you put in the work and do all the things that you're supposed to do, the universe kind of aligns the things for you. There is this thing called act as if. I'm acting as if I already have this business going on, I'm a businesswoman and whatever, and I'm putting in the work so that when it comes to me, like, I'm into it. Because as much as I want to be my own boss, sometimes if you do not practice the things that you want to be, when they come to you, you're not able to keep them, you're not able to manage them. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't even know if I'm making sense, but basically that is how I plan for my week. First, I brainstorm everything that I have on my mind and brain dump it in the journal. Second, I go to the previous week day by day and see what was moved forward so that I can finish that up before I move on to the next things that I've been brain dumping. And last but not least, I put reminders that I have work on those days so that I can plan around those days to do the things that I want to do for myself. And that's basically it. It's super easy, it's super simple. I used to really have issues when it comes to planning, when it comes to like organizing my life. I was all over the place. That's one of the reasons I used to procrastinate a lot, because I felt overwhelmed. But now with the 90-day video on the journal, my life is a little bit more organized and I designed it for myself, you guys. So by the way, do you guys remember my notebook? I really have to show you my notebook. You probably forgot about it because you think, oh my god, she just came up with a journal. Hell no. Wait a minute, boy, why? This is the notebook. As you can see, everything like gratitude. Yo, this is July 2020. I started this thing in July 2020. Is it last year? Yeah, last year. That's how I started getting my life together. And then, ignore this building. Weekly reviews. The weekly reviews started like this. So you see the pages with tabs. I used to just put black tape on them because I needed to track my habits. So I put the tape here. As you can see, they're pages with tabs so that I can know my habit trackers. And I used to draw one by one, you guys, one by one. Can you believe it? The time it took to draw these little calendars on my days. Anyway, so yeah, bro, this is how I... It's just too funny that I always struggle with this though. Mostly because my table building skills are terrible. Just check out this video when I built this table. Everything is just the other way around. Even here, this is supposed to be the other side. My god, this is replaceable. It just doesn't stick, but I can fix it for a temporary fix. It's fine until I open it, basically. It's fine. It's fine until I open it. Damn. Okay. Alright, you see? Like this, it's fine. And I close it. And we're good now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful. It made your planning a lot easier. If it did, of course, this light is still on. If it did, of course, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. It really supports my channel. And as always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I will see you in the next one. Bye.